So what is the call stack? Well, the call stack is a stack that represents what methods have been called. You'll notice that many bits of programming terminology are very self-descriptive. So a call stack represents all of the methods that have been invoked up to our current point. Right now we have two entries in our call stack. We have external code and main. I'm not going to worry about external code. External code is going to be all the stuff that the CLR actually invoked before we got to our entry point. But watch the call stack. I'm going to go ahead and make this side by side so you guys can see the output of the program. Watch the call stack as I enter a method. When I've stepped into say things, all of a sudden our call stack grew. And it's telling us that we are in a method called say things, and then before we were in say things, we were in main. And if I jump into say things nested, our call stack grows again. We have say things nested at the top, say things, and then main. Now the cool thing about the call stack is it allows us to double click on these entries and see exactly where this method was invoked from.